The effects of alcohol on the reproductive system, both for the man and for the woman. How does alcohol affect the reproductive system? When it comes to mature men and women, people who are reproductively active, alcohol has an effect on the functioning of the reproductive system. This is the target of this video. Let us look at the consequences or the effects of alcohol on the reproductive system of both the man and the woman. Now, for the woman, those who drink a lot of alcohol, alcohol can alter your menstrual cycle, causing irregular menses. Alcohol can even cause the absence of menses. That sometimes it can even go for months without menses. It could be just the work of alcohol, especially those of you who take a lot of alcohol. You know that some men cannot do without much alcohol. Much alcohol means that in their bottles, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bottles of beer and other forms of alcohol on daily basis. Some people in my own village drink a lot of palm wine, a lot of raffia palm wine. Some of them have been left to ferment, and it now contains much alcohol. And a lot of them do not know that too much of it, it is giving you much alcohol in the system that will result to this same effect. Some people take the corn beer, what they call sha or ha or something. There are different names. They use corn to make that kind of corn beer. A lot of them leave it to ferment, and then there's very high level of alcohol in it. What is the effect of this much alcohol in the reproductive system, in your reproductive life? That is what we're talking about. So some women at some time, because of much alcohol, they have their menstrual cycle altered. A lot of studies in this domain, in this area, have proven it clear that alcohol can alter the normal menstrual cycle in the woman, and sometimes absence of menses, sometimes ovulation. The ovary of the lady fails to produce or to release an egg, and so bringing about infertility. So alcohol can complicate the system up to the level of causing infertility, making you, the woman, infertile. Now, alcohol has caused resistance in the system of most people, both men and women, such that even when they are sick, they prescribe drugs and the drugs do not respond well in their body. The drugs do not work well just because of excessive alcohol. In men, some studies have proven that much of this alcohol affects hormonal levels, especially hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Some have proven that some of these men, even with much alcohol, the effect brings about sexual dysfunction, sexual weakness. They cannot really even perform well. The ability has greatly reduced. So, proving up to the level of saying that a man can produce premature sperm cells, abnormal sperm cells, reduce number of sperms. That excessive alcohol affects sperm morphology, and motility and activity of sperm cells, making some of the men unable to get a woman pregnant, meaning that some of the men become infertile because of excessive alcohol. This is just to draw our attention to the fact that alcohol has great effects negatively to the reproductive system. you are advised to reduce the level of alcohol intake as much as possible. Then, please, any further questions you can ask. Subscribe, like, and share.